Minasan konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, I will just look at some object which I was really interested to know of, and I researched and found that this is something useful. Okay, so let us look. This is a product made by the company whose brand is Serious Gentlemen, and they are having their products in their website. So I look up at their website and find out the function of this. Okay, so actually, when you are going to a function and you are having a formal meeting or formal appointment, you are just dressed and you are carrying your wallet. Okay, as thick as this, and so uncomfortable. It bulges. It's so thick in your front pocket, whether it is your trouser or your upper shirt. So it bulges. Okay. And the function of this is to be comfortable and well dressed and well presentable without any front bulges, most especially by your thick wallet. Now, what's inside your wallet? There are so many things inside your wallet. Money bills, coins, picture, receipts, papers. So, so many things inside your wallet. And you can pick up enough bills. Of course, you are going to a function, you don't need too much bills. You just pick up some bills and put them together. Even you can add your what small change. Something might happen. For example, taxi fare. You can do that. You can even add your ID and add your ATM and your credit card. So you can do that. You can add it. So just use. Okay. Just choose like this, and then try to use it like this. Okay. Put it inside this. Okay. Take a look. You have so much. You have so much money for your taxi fare and other expenses, food, beverages, so on. If something might happen, and you even have your credit card there, and it is so convenient and so thin, and you can just put it there. So it is what? It is not bulging anymore here. So if you put your wallet there, okay, put your wallet inside your pocket, okay, take note the difference. So as if there is nothing in here, as if but there are so many, there are so much. You are well prepared. Okay? But if you put your wallet, look at the difference. Okay, look at the difference. So, it will not. It, it's obvious, no? It's obvious. Okay, so very high quality product. Okay, for real. in gentlemen. So that is their brand, serious gentlemen. But I think this is for real engineers, a product for real engineers. It's nothing. It's almost nothing. Okay, it's not obvious that it's right there. What more if you can put this into your front pocket of your trouser? It's not obvious. So it's a good way to have this uh, and actually receive this as a gift. Okay, you can even read the proverbs or sayings written down there. Okay, you can even read. Uh, it's not visible. It's not visible from the camera. It is a bronze. It's not visible from the camera. However, you can actually order you to engrave your own proverbs, your own saying, your own Bible verse, your favorite slogan for a very small fee. They said from their website, it's about additional of 100 pesos. You can have your own proverbs engraved in this. So this is bronze. They have what? Three types of metal: stainless steel and bronze. Okay, so very good product. It's not necessary for everyone. It's not necessary, but it is a quality product. This type of product are those products that Japanese loves. Okay? Again, thank you very much for this type of products. Actually, it looks like this. If you can read. So that is what is the basic option. Okay, engrave the saying, the best view comes after the hardest climb. Very good saying, and it is actually as good as the product itself. Okay, and once again, this is Dr. AP preaching engineering for nation building. This product is not really for nation building, but it's a quality product. Okay. So this product is what they call money clip. Thank you.